Assalamu alaikum. Once again, welcome to all my dear students. You are listening your science teacher Sayyida Jweria Rahman, and today I am going to introduce the system which plays important role to maintain the internal chemical homeostasis of your body, and it is called your excretory system. At the end of this lecture, you will be able to introduce the excretory system and also you will be able to explain its organs. Students, as a result of breakdown of various food items and other chemical components of the body, nitrogenous waste matter is produced which must be quickly removed from the body. Because accumulation of waste material is very dangerous for your health. So the removal of nitrogenous waste materials from the body is called excretion. These nitrogenous materials, extra water and salts are removed by your different body parts and they collectively form a system called excretory system. Human excretory system consists of one pair of kidneys, two ureters, a urinary bladder and a urethra. Let's talk about them. Number 1. Kidneys. Human body has two dark bean-shaped kidneys present on each side of the vertebral column in the abdominal cavity. The outer surface of kidney is convex while the inner surface is concave. Dear students, your right kidney is a little lower than the left one, and the function of kidneys to remove the nitrogenous waste such as urea as well as salts and excess water from the blood and excrete them in the form of urine. Ureter. A ureter is a tube which arises from each kidney and enters the urinary bladder. In an adult human, the ureters are usually 25 to 30 cm long and they transport urine from kidney to the urinary bladder. On the other hand, urinary bladder is a muscular sac which collects the urine from the ureters. It stores the urine for some time and when it completely fills, the urine is released out of the urinary bladder with the help of a fine tube called urethra. This is the end of today's lecture. Now what you have to do, draw the diagram of excretory system and label its all parts. And send me your assignments at this given Gmail ID or you can send it in your class WhatsApp group. If you have any question related to today's topic, you can contact me anytime through this email ID. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.